fluffy bun. Tie a high ponytail out of the hair, then divide it into two parts. Clip up one of the parts of this hair. Taking the second portion of the hair, divide it into two parts and then twist one on top of the other as such. As you continue to twist it, you may tie a rubber band at the end of it. Now after this is what it should look like. Let the other section of the hair down as well. Divide this into two parts and then afterwards begin to twist this as well, one on top of the other as such. Now once you are done twisting one on top of the other, take the first part of it and then wrap it around into a bun at the top as such. Now once you are done with this, pin it up in place using a bobby pin. Now taking the first portion of it, once again twist it, wrap it around in the form of a bun, then use a multiple prong pin in order to push it in its place. Use a bobby pin to make it stay in place. Next, use a multi-level clip and then pin it up at the back. Take a section from the left side, twist it and then insert it into the right. Next, take a section from the left side again. Once again, twist it and then insert it into the clip. This time, however, insert it into the middle layer of the clip. Take another section from the left side, this time twist it and then insert it into the left side of the clip. Once you're done with this, take another clip of the same kind and then insert it underneath it, right underneath it. Now begin to take 3 layers from the right side, twist each of these 3 layers and then insert it into the various layers of the clip. First, insert it into the leftmost layer, then insert it into the middle layer, and then finally insert it into the rightmost layer. Now divide the hair into 2 portions at the bottom. Taking the right side section that you have created, begin to braid it as such. While you are making a braid out of it, loosen the sides of it as such. Now take the left hand side and then do the same thing on the left hand side. Roll the braids up on either side and then pin it up using bobby pins. Next, gather the hair together and then tie a rubber band out of the hair as such. Now, after you've tied the rubber band to the hair, make sure that it is a low ponytail. Now, after this, loosen the strands of the hair, or rather the sections of the hair, using your fingers. Tie a rubber band at the base of the hair as such. Make a gap in the middle and roll the hair in on itself. Then, taking the bottom, wrap it around the top as such. Use a decorative rubber band in order to make a bun out of it. Then, tie it up in place. Next, we will start off by gathering the hair together. Take the left side of the hair outwards and then take the right side of the hair and leave it out. Now gather the rest of the hair together and then make a low ponytail out of it. Take a disco rubber band and then tie the hair up together after combing it all together into a low ponytail. This is what it should look like. After this, tighten the hair into place as such. Now take the left section and the right section, twist one on top of the other as such, wrap it around the ponytail and then tie a rubber band at the base of it. After this, comb it in place as such. Add a rubber band at the end of it, roll it upwards into a bun, fasten it in place using a multiple prong pin. Thank you for watching.